is Jamie Pierce. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. On this day, I have lots and lots of cleaning motivation for you guys. I am deep cleaning my hallway, and this is a part 1 of just wash 2020 away. And we're gonna bring in the new. We're just gonna get the house all deep cleaned and just get ready for the new year. So this will be a series, and if you guys are interested and if you guys like this kind of content, please like and subscribe and follow me over on Instagram at jamie.p12. And I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. And in this video, I am wiping down all of my husband's pictures, the Avengers. He's a Marvel fan, and I'm going to wipe the little things right here on my attic fan and get those dusted. And then I am doing walls and baseboards and doors and doorknobs, just scrubbing everything down really good and just sanitizing. And I was using a Lysol multi-purpose cleaner that I actually got from the Dollar Tree, and I poured some of that in a bucket with hot water, scalding hot water, about as hot as I can stand it. And the doors in our house were just so dirty from the kids and our dog Thor. The whole bottom part of the walls, I had tried to show you guys, but I couldn't really see very well. But the whole bottom of my walls and doors just had mud on them from when I live in Louisiana and it rains entirely too much. And he'll come in and be muddy and shake and get mud on the bottom of the doors and baseboards, and it's a mess. So I was just using Lysol all-purpose cleaner with some hot water and just disinfecting our doors and door handles. And right here I am just picking off the little wall sticker I had for Christmas, because I will also be taking down Christmas decorations in my foyer. So I am deep cleaning the hallway and the foyer, so that all the Christmas stuff will be taken down in there. Just trying to get ready to start decorating for Valentine's Day here pretty soon. Y'all, look how nasty this water is, and that is just from cleaning the doors and the door handles. It's pretty bad. So now I'm just going to change out my water, and my mop head and mop handle I bought from the Dollar Tree, and that is what I'm using to wash my walls. It made my life so much easier just by doing this. I didn't have to step up and down on a step ladder. It wasn't doing all that bending over. So I suggest going to Dollar Tree and getting one of these and just use it for your walls, because it made my life so much easier. And here in a minute I will show you guys the little mop pad and show you how dirty the walls were. They weren't as bad as the doors, because they don't really get touched that much, but they were dusty. had changed out my Lysol bucket of water, and now I'm getting started on my baseboards in the hallway. They were pretty hairy. There was a lot of dog hair on them, and because Thor likes to lay up against the walls and everything, so they were pretty dusty and with quite a bit of dog hair. So I'm just going to wipe this vent down. I was trying to figure out how to take that one off so I could actually soak it, deep clean it, but I don't think mine comes off because I can't quite figure it out. So, but now I am going to steam clean the floors in the hallway, and then when I am done with my hallway, I will be moving on to the foyer. And in videos coming up, the next room that gets deep cleaned is the living room. Just gonna be wiping the walls and dusting everything in there, and that is the next video. But right here I brought my husband's shelf back in, and I'm getting all of his Avengers dusted because I had took them all down and put them in the shed to put his tree up. I had a video of me taking down the tree, so I thought I did, but I guess I didn't record it. But he had a Marvel Christmas tree with all the Marvel figurines and stuff, and so I brought in all of his Marvel characters from the shed and brought in back in his shelf. So I was just getting everything dusted so I can get them all set back up where they belong. So now I had moved on into the foyer, and I am just getting all of the Christmas decorations taken down so I can deep clean in here and get the walls and those little built-ins wiped down. And I'm going to take my garland, Christmas lights down, and I'm only going to show you guys me taking one banister down because I sort of struggled, and I didn't think you guys wanted to watch like the whole thing with me taking all of that down. So, but anyways, I am rambling. So yes, I will just take this one down and then I skip the rest, and then we get back into wiping the walls and the doors and everything else. guys can really see that. That is all mud. Our backyard floods, so when Thor finally gets to go out, he comes in so muddy. And he will rub up against the wall, he'll shake. So I have to scrub those all the time. So now I'm just going to wipe down my walls and get the baseboards next. That is a lot of dust, dirt, and dog hair, and about 95% of it is all from Thor, just because he's our wild puppy. But I have to sweep daily, but I kind of didn't sweep for like 3 days. I just lounged around and relaxed after Christmas. So the floors didn't get swept or mopped. So they were pretty gross on this day. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell notification button. It'll let you know every time I upload a new video, which the videos that I have coming up are deep cleaning. So if you guys need or you want that extra motivation videos to deep clean your house and just get ready for 2021 and just wash 2020 away, these are the videos. I have tons more coming up, so I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you guys some motivation, and I will talk to you guys next week.